How to merge accounts in Rainbow Six Siege. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to merge accounts in Rainbow Six Siege. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really quick and simple, so let's go. So what you can do is to just log in your account on the ubisoft.com because they are the creator of Rainbow Six Siege. So in here, let's just create a Ubisoft account. As you can see, it's loading like this, so let's just wait for it to load. So in here, they will email a 6-digit code. So let's just get that code on our Gmail account. So and having an account is very important because it will allow you to link it to another social media platforms. So the security code is 954538. So let's just get that. Copy it and then enter it to the Ubisoft right here. And click on create account again, and then this will load and create our new account. So as you can see, it is now loading right here, and as you can see, we have now successfully signed in right there. We are now labeled new player, but that doesn't matter. So in order to merge accounts in Rainbow Six Siege, you can just load and then scroll down on this right here on our profile icon and look for account management right here. This will direct us to this site right here. So let's just wait for it to load. And in here you can see your account management. So click on account information right here until we head over to this. So let's just scroll down, and in here you can see the linked accounts. So in order to link an account, you can just head over and click on the account that you want to link. So for me, for example, I want to link my Facebook. Then I can just click on the link right here. And then this will open up a new tab on my computer. And I can now connect Facebook to our Ubisoft. So let's just wait for this to load again. And as you can see, it has redirected us to facebook.com. So you can just click on continue right here in order to link your account in Ubisoft and Rainbow Six Siege. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to merge accounts in Rainbow Six Siege. If you have guns or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.